Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. This is Milo.
Hi.
I'm Jana, and today we're going to make some peanut butter cookies. We were inspired by Alton Brown's video recently. We're home for a couple weeks on quarantine. We're doing a lot of baking. So today we're up for peanut butter cookies. Right?
Yeah.
Before we get started, we have to preheat the oven to
350 degrees.
350 degrees.
Granulated sugar.
It's a half cup of granulated sugar.
Well, instead of light brown sugar, we got our granulated sugar with some molasses in it.
So that's about a half cup of granulated sugar, and you take out 1 teaspoon worth, put it back in the container, and then add in a teaspoon worth of molasses.
And then we got our baking soda and some salt.
And that is 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
And then 1 egg in the bowl.
And 1 teaspoon of
vanilla extract.
So we're ready to get mixing.
Yep.
What would you like to get started with?
I'll just do it.
You're going to start with the peanut butter?
Yeah.
And you have a spoon, a whisk. What's your preference? You have a spoon?
Yeah. So how would I push it?
Oh, you gotta hold this and give it a push from the back. It squeezes all the peanut butter out in kind of a nifty way. Do you have a spatula or something to get all of it off? The spatula is going to be your better tool.
Okay, get that out.
Perfect. Okay, we can set that one aside. What else would you like to add to the bowl? I'm going to get you a towel.
Peanut butter fingers.
What else would you like? You want us to add the sugars in next?
Sure.
So now we're doing the half cup of granulated sugar.
And then
Half cup of light brown sugar or granulated sugar with 1 teaspoon of molasses. The baking soda and salt. 1 large egg. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Perfect. You mix it up?
my spoon?
Yeah, sure. Well, I can grab another spoon. So we're going to dish out at least, I don't know, we might be able to fit more than 8.
Well, it's Alton Brown's recipe, so he said 8 cookies per sheet, so...
When they bake, they need a little bit of space to spread out.
I was trying to because, like, the 4th will
That'll be
right
perfect.
here.
I think it looks good.
Okay. Okay, so then last one. We're going through this so quick.
I don't think it makes. It makes like just the right amount of cookies.
I guess it does. So now that we got our tray finished, my mom is working on the other tray. Now we will do this fork method where you push and then swipe. Push, swipe. So now I just did my fork method one way, and now you can do the fork method the opposite way. Same method, push, swipe.
It's perfect. Ella's got this tray ready to go. I've got one more tray scooped out, so we're going to put some more fork marks on that.
I'll go put this in.
Do you want to put them in at the same time so they bake all together?
Okay, that's fine.
You're going to bake for 10 minutes. at 350 degrees.
Yep.
So we're gonna get this one set up and then we will get them both in the oven. Just a minute.
So I'm gonna do the same fork method for this, just like I did on the other tray.
I think they're ready to go in the oven now.
Yep. So let's go put them in.
Okay. Put it in the middle of the oven so they cook pretty evenly.
Yeah.
We've got our rack set up in there. Oh, it's a bit dirty. One on the top, one a little bit lower down the middle, and we set a timer for 10 minutes.
Okay.
We'll just set this one.
Yep.
I don't think so. Ready to take the cookies out? Timer just went
Yep.
off. I've got my mitts on.
Yeah.
You staying safe today? No hands by the oven?
Oh.
They look pretty good.
Yeah.
They look really good.
Decent size.
Pan's hot. Be careful.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna bring the other one up.
Yeah.
Now I think we gotta let these cool. How long should we let them cool for?
About 10 minutes.
Okay, well, let's do that and then we will get them off the tray.
Yep.
So it's been just about 10 minutes. The pans have cooled off enough. Cool, warm to the touch, but they're cool. We can handle them. We're gonna take the cookies off. We'll put them on the cooling rack.
Yeah.
And then what?
We're gonna devour them.
Would you like me to do this or you wanna do some?
I don't do
You wanna do some? Okay.
Wait, is there another tackle?
Yeah, here you go. Cookies are still a little soft. So
Can you hold it?
sure, you can definitely hold it. They're a little soft still. So they might break, but that's okay if they do.
Yeah. Even if they break, they always taste the
They
same.
taste exactly the same. Should we show Bachi? You guys want to see Bachi?
Yeah.
Here's our helper.
Oh, she's drooling.
She's a drool monster.
She is a big drool monster. Who happens a lot.
And now it's time to eat the cookies.
They look good? I'm gonna pick.
They're still, even if
Little
they
soft?
broke.
They are soft. These cookies are always a little bit soft, even after they cool all the way.
Yeah.
Peanut butter cookies are very soft.
Yeah. But they're very good.
Perfect. Thank you for joining us. We're
Bye.
gonna try and make some more stuff in the future.
Yeah.
Any requests?
Comment
Any
down
ideas?
below.
Any ideas? Yeah, comment down below. Thank you guys. We'll see you soon.